Mrs. Festus Math Lesson Summary, Lesson 2.2, Representing Ratios. The top half of the page gives you all the examples for how ratios are represented and what they can look like in different diagrams, and examples for how you can set them up as part-to-part or part-to-whole ratios. And also how you can simplify a ratio, how you can set them up as a tape diagram, and different notations for different ratios. On the bottom of the page, we will work through some examples. The first example says the ratio of the length to the height of this rectangle. In ratio language, that means we are writing 2 centimeters to 1 centimeter, as the length is 2 and the height is 1. Remember, we need to keep the words in direct relationship to the numbers. In ratio notation, that means we are writing this with just the numbers, 2:1 or 2/1. In ratio relationship, we are writing this out as a math problem. And then as a tape diagram, we are writing the length out using the numbers and modeling the problem. The 2 squares on the top is the length, and the 1 square on the bottom is the height, showing the relationship of the 2 in the length to the 1 in the height. The next example says the ratio of mice to keyboards in this illustration. When we write this out in ratio language, it shows that in the picture we have 4 keyboards and 3 mice. But the language says that it is mice to keyboards, so it should be 3 mice to 4 keyboards. Notation means the numbers come first, so a 3:4 and then a 3/4. Writing it out as a number sentence, and then using a tape diagram. Again, we're using blocks with numbers to represent the mice and the keyboards. The final example shows traveling at a constant speed. A train goes 5 miles in 3 minutes. In language, 5 miles is on top with 3 minutes on the bottom. Notation, 5:3 and 5/3. Ratio relationship, we are writing it out as our number sentence. And then our tape diagram.